Parks and Recreation at home. I'm Natalie, and today we're going to cover some basic cardio kickboxing moves that you'll see in all of your classes. So if you're newer or haven't taken a class and really want to, but you're not really sure how to move, that's what we're going to talk about today. So our first move is a cross, and I want you to stand on guard. That means a little bend in your knees, your right foot slightly forward, and you're going to bring your left arm across your chest extend and pull back in. We'll cross back in. This is a cross. So our opposite arm will always stay on guard. Cardio kickboxing is a little different than regular boxing or boxing with a bag, where we'll do both sides just to stay even. It's really for fitness. It's not really any fighting moves that you'll learn. So across here, you are light on your left toes, and you're pushing your weight in to your right leg to get your hip behind it to push and retract. You think about pulling right back in. So once you get that move smoothly, we'll play with some tempos and some directions. So you cross, other arm on guard, slight bend in your knee, and really strong core. We work on all planes of motion in cardio kickboxing. So you really get the best total body workout in all directions. From here, we'll make it a double time, so we'll take it to tempo with a double time movement. That's still our cross, but usually you'll hear your instructor stay up to tempo. Breathe, brace your core, you're light on your left toes, and let's slow it down. So you go cross. We might combo those moves. 4 more slow. Now take it to tempo. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, one more round, slow it down. So we go boom. You're using your hip and really squeezing through your core to generate some power. 4 more, 4, 3, good, 2. Now take it to tempo right here. So you go double time. That is the cross. We'll do everything on the right side. In 4, we have our slow cross. 3, right arm in 2, and one other side. So you cross, cross. You're light this time on your right toes, and your weight's into your left leg. So you know what to expect a little more we've done on the left side. We usually do left side first, left lead, because then our brain knows a lot of us, or most of us, a good percentage of us are right-handed or right lead in what we do. Stay here, 4 more, 4, light on those toes, use your hip. We're here for 3, 2, up to tempo, take it double time. So we think about retracting, pulling in with the lat, the big muscles in our back. 4, for 3, we go full range, slow it down, in 2, and 1 we go cross. So when you feel comfortable with this move, you're gonna add a little bit more behind it. Really generate your power, push, use your core. Let's take it to tempo, round 2, double time, cross. Really pull back in, think about retracting more than the punch out. 4 counts for 4, for 3, 2, one more round, slow it down right here, cross. You breathe. Let's get 4 more slow. 4, 3, 2, double time. Stay here. Good, 4 counts for 4, for 3, for 2. Nice, we'll just step touch, right, left. All right, that's our cross. We'll do a hook. So a hook punch is up and around. You would think about coming to the side of an opponent's face. Not that we're doing any punching, but that's kind of the idea in your mind. So it's up and around. You'll use your shoulder. Will come at that angle. So I want you to plant right foot forward, left foot slightly back. Left hook, it looks like this. So you come up and around. You're light on your back toes. We just have one tempo most of the time with our hook. So we'll stay in this tempo, just kind of nice and easy. And really generate your power from that rotation. Other hand is on guard, so it is right by your jaw. Good, make this a little bigger. If you want to make it bigger, use more legs to really come up and around. 4 more counts for 4, for 3, good for 2, and 1. Shake it out. All right, This time, left foot forward, right hook. We're on, join me when you're ready. We go up and around. This time you're light on your right toes and using your right hip, left hand on guard. Up and around. Nice strong core. Yeah, stay with this for 8. Maybe you make it a little bigger. Brace your core. Really use your rotation. We're here for 4, for 3, for 2. Good. Step touch, right and left. All right, we're going to just cover those 2 punches today. We're going to do 2 lower body moves. The first is a knee strike. So I want you to plant your right foot forward, left foot slightly back. Arms reach up. We bring our back knee into the center, so we pull in, reach out. It's in and out. You're low in your base leg. And I want you to think about using your core to pull your knee in. You pull, pull, get even lower. Now take this to tempo double time. So you pull in, in. Maybe you add a little rotation. That'll get a little more in the external obliques. For 4, get 1 inch lower. 3, for 2. Good, let's slow it down right here. So we pull in and out. Pull, give me 2 more slow. 1 more, double time, double time. It's in, in. Let's do that 1 more round before we switch our sides. Slow it down, 4 times. 4, reach, 3, sink 1 inch lower, up to tempo double time. We pull in, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, step touch, left, right. All right, we'll plant our left side. We'll do that with our right knee. So I want you to plant your left leg, right leg steps back. Opposite hands, come across the body, knee into chest, slow right here. So we pull in and out. We pull, think about using your core, staying low in your left knee. Maybe you add a little bit of rotation. We pull and reach, pull, up to tempo, double time. We pull in, in. Yes. And then can you add an exhale? 4 more. 4, for 3. Sink 1 inch lower for 2. Slow it down, 4 times. In, out, in. 2 more. 1 more. Double time right here. We pull 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Slow it down. In, last round. Good, up to tempo, double time. We pull in, 7, 6, 5, sink 1 inch lower, make it even bigger. Good, step touch. Nice, all right. 1 more move to work on today. It's a block, so we'll plant our left foot. Right foot comes out, right arm comes up. We pull and reach, rib to hip, and pull. It's like standing core, so we think crunch and reach. Crunch, this is a block. Yes, you can barely tap your toe down. Also, you could keep your leg lifted if you need a little more challenge. But I want bend in the base leg and power. We think pull and reach, pull and reach. Good. Sometimes we pulse this move just to work our core a little harder. But in combos or in practice, we usually keep it this tempo. Your pulse would look like this. We'd go pulse, 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 little standing crunch. 4, 3, 2, slow it down, up and down, so we reach and pull. And that is our block. You should feel your side body working. Good, let's get 4 more right here. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, shake it out. All right, plant your right foot, left foot comes out. Left arm overhead. We have that left side, our block right here. So you think block and tap, block and tap. So you think big pull, rib to hip, left rib, left hip. We pull and reach. And then you add that little breath, little squeeze. We're here for 4. We'll try pulses on this side. In 3, 2, 1, right here, a little pulse. So you pulse. Little standing side crunch, rib to hip. Stay with me, finally, it counts for 8, 7. Good. We're here for 4, 3. Slow it down, up, down. We go up and tap. Pull and reach. Yes. Good. Let's get 8 more right here. Big squeeze. 4 more, 4 more, 4 more. For 4. For 3. 2. Give me 1 more. Good. Step, touch, right, left. Just nice and easy. Those are the 2 punches and 2 kicks. 2 lower body moves we'll work on today. Take a step heel in front, and we're just going to do a quick little stretch. Left heel forward. Hinge at your hips. Big hamstring stretch. Really, really good. Switch your sides. Chest towards toes, toes up. Good. Bring your left arm across your chest, shoulder down, away from your earlobe. Breathe here. Good. Switch your sides. And bend your knees. We'll take a final inhale here. Exhale down. Thank you so much for joining us today. To stay updated on class schedules and any program offerings, follow us on Instagram, on Facebook, and YouTube. We'll see you in class soon.